There were 3 of them a second ago. Dog get right. I didn't know that. See this? The wind blows right through this. I didn't know that. That'll do. Oh, hello, the seagull's got his eye in. Cheeky blighter. Oh, here we go. Let's go with peanuts, because hang on, what I want to do is get rid of these last 3. But what will happen is that guy will be well on the ball. Ready? See these guys in here? And pitch it kind of. Need to be quicker, lads. Oh, did he get it? I thought he had it. Oh, he's got his eye in. The crow got that one. Jeez, now. I can't tell what you're looking at. So there's one guy and oh shit, that was a really crap throw. I think the crow got that one. I don't know if it was the crow that was already eating one or the other crow. So, my peanuts. I don't think seagulls can see peanuts. Oh, turned on a dime. Where did it go? Some peanuts here, but it's by the stick. Can the seagull see peanuts? Some in this circle. Would you like me to leave? I don't think seagull can see peanuts. Too small a resolution, perhaps. The crows are going to have to come walking over. Oh, 2 seagulls. Right, let's go and see the others. Cool.